Where is the Chrome extension? Post fast. Well, I don't think it's gonna happen soon. Well, I don't think it's gonna. That's the model video. Well, guess what? It's been more than 1 week and I haven't worked on this thing yet. So we have to do this quickly. So let's clean the data, format it, train it with different mods, select the best model, create a backend to serve the model, create a Chrome extension with great UI and make them work together in 3 days. Very nice. Hold on. But the plan was to make 2 different videos for this, right? I don't remember saying that. Since we scrapped it from our personal Gmail, some of the data is in the form of text, some of it is in form of raw HTML and even markdown in some places. Then we'll start with cleaning the dataset. And the categories which LLM gave was promotion, social media. Boring. Wait, I almost forgot we have an special category. A girl nearby is waiting to chat on, I don't know, Badu. I don't know how to pronounce that. Okay, so now we have removed all the unwanted data, removed the null values, and now we have only around 2000 rows of data, which is okay, I guess. So preprocessing is done. Now comes the model training part, and we'll train one model for category and one model for finding whether the mail is useful or not.
That's what a smart person will say. But since I'm not, instead of that,
I'll train 4 models for each use case, which should be probably easy. Yeah, it is easy. And I'll be using naive Bayes algorithm here.
And if you don't know what naive Bayes is, you are probably living under the rock.
Now, after the model is trained,
I am half dead and half alive. So before I die completely, I'll go hit the sack.
now we have the hardest task, making the Chrome extension, because this is my first time making a Chrome extension and I don't know how the so based on what my big brain says is to create a simple tag in each mail and just display the category and useful or not useful in each of the mail with just a simple tag in it, like where we see the mail. You get it, right? For now we'll leave this hard-coded value for category and useful here, and I will probably leave it like this forever. Now that the Chrome extension is working now, after a full 1 day of brain damage, now we can start working on backend, which is my favorite part, of course. But before doing that, I just realized my videos are kind of hard to work because of this white thing background. So we'll quickly go and swap this with a nice black background. Boom! Back to backend. For this, we'll create a simple Flask backend which will serve the model in the simplest way possible. And for this, we'll create 2 endpoints, one which will take one single mail data and another which will take array of mail data and return the respective values of category and useful. Backend working. And now as the backend is ready, we'll run it and test it whether it's actually giving output or not. And it's not.
2 hours later.
And the issue is fixed now and the packet is working just like a wow. And now we are only left with connecting both front end and back end, and they're connected and working well together, just like me and my life. Oh no, wait, it's working, but it's still not usable, I think. So there's a lot of things we need to fix in front end part. There's also no home page for the Chrome extension. Yeah, so if a new mail is received, then this Chrome extension doesn't count that as a mail. Yeah, so we need to fix that. And if we click on a mail and open it and then go back to previous page, we again don't see any proper functionality here. So we need to fix that also. Okay, so after a few hours of laptop staring, it's working. Wait. We haven't deployed the model yet. Okay, we'll deploy the model in some free service, of course, because I don't have money. So I have deployed the Flask API endpoint in the render. And by the way, if you don't know what render is, yeah, it's fun for people like me. But since this service is free, it will go down if it's not used. So in the extension Chrome page, we'll add a server check feature, which will show whether the server is running or not.
1 hour later.
We have completed the home page of Chrome extension and everything seems to work, probably. Acha. Now the only thing left to do is to publish it, and we'll go to some web store and publish it there. and we can't publish it on Chrome Web Store because they're asking for money. And after saying no to Chrome, we headed over to Microsoft Web Store, and after filling all this data, which definitely took me less than a day, we submitted it for review. And according to what it says here, this will take 7 business days. They approved it in 3 days, which is still better than 7 days. Yeah, so the extension is available in Microsoft Edge Store only because Chrome is paid. So if you want to download it, you can go ahead and download it. And if you like it, give a review. If you don't like it, please don't kill me.